Hello guys, welcome to Adobe tutorials. In today's tutorials we are going to learn how to scale an image without losing quality. You can see here when we zoom it, you can see the noise here and it looking the quality is bad. I will show you how to increase the size of the image without losing quality. So let's get started. We have these two images. We are going to work on this image first. For resizing the image, click on the image and image size. I choose here %, and let's make it 3 times bigger than the original size, so 300%. Now let's check the other options. You can see when we select this option, it adds some noise to it. In fact, we have make it 100% reduced noise, but this is the latest version and it was introduced in the Adobe Photoshop CC 2018. So let me click it. You can see now it's the best quality, and we have enlarged the image 3 times 300% from the original image. You can see the dimension. Press OK. Hit on the screen. See, this is the resized image and this is the original image. You can see now, and when we zoom it, a bad quality of the original image and the edited one. Let's do the same to this image, and the original image is this. We want to resize it 3 times bigger than the original one, so make it 300, or maybe this time make it 200%. Preserve 2.0, 100%, reduce noise. Okay, see the original, the resized image. Isn't it awesome? Thanks for watching. Be sure to like the video and share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next tutorial.